Hi everyone, welcome to Naturewalks with Gabe. I'm here in Kitchener, Ontario with a pair of great crested flycatchers. You can hear them calling to each other. I think they're probably a mated pair. One staying up in the trees, one staying low. They don't seem to be actively hunting. These guys are pretty big for flycatchers, or at least the kind we have around here. Because they're flycatchers, they're primarily insect eaters, so they don't stay the winter. This is a migratory species that comes up here in the spring. Keep your ears open for these kinds of calls in your neighborhood. You just might see a pair or a single flycatcher. Make some time to look for Wonder wherever you are today.